Hello, children. How are you? Hope you all are happy and healthy. As all of you know, that your summer vacations are going to start from 13th May. So, this is your holiday homework. Make sure you have to complete your holiday homework as it contains 10 marks for each subject in terminal examination. Okay, students, this is your holiday homework in English. You have to learn four chapter number 1, chapter number 2, chapter number 3 and chapter number 4, which have been already done in class. You have to learn all their exercise, question answers, word meaning, difficult words, everything you have to learn. You have a project work in English literature. You have to draw picture related to these chapters and summarize them in your words on A3 sheet, A4 sheet or any sheet available at your home. And you also have other project work. You have to write few lines about the poet of the poem Little Birdie. In English grammar, you have to learn all the chapter which have been already done in class, and you have a project work. You have to make a video related to the concept of noun including chapter 2, 3 and 4, and you have to write two application, one leave application to the principal for urgent piece of work and other an application to the principal for half day leave. Okay, students. And in science, you have to learn all four chapters. Chapter number 1, eating habits of animal, chapter 2, keeping safe, chapter 3, housing and clothing, chapter 4, soil. You have to learn these chapters with their exercise and question answers. You have a project work in science. You have to make a top using a pencil and show it rotation through a video, and you have seen this project work on the page number 149 in science book. Students, you have to define the topics in your words given below. These topics are from the chapters which have been done in class already. There are 7 topics: how we can care our environment, eating habits of animals, food chain, how we can avoid injuries, first aid, clothes and fibers, soil and manure. You have to define these topics in your words in 3-in-1 notebook. Students, if you don't have 3-in-1 notebook, you can do your written work in any notebook available at your home. Okay, students, now in maths, you have to practice of all the chapters which have been done in class. Chapter 1 review, chapter 2 Roman numerals, chapter 3 large numbers and chapter 4 addition. You have to learn the concepts related to these chapters, and you have to do a worksheet on page number 35. Students, you have a project work in maths. You have to make a project using toothpicks related to Roman numerals as shown in maths book on page number 19 on an A3 sheet or any sheet available at your home. You have to define the following terms with examples in your words. First is consecutive numbers, ascending order, descending order, fraction, Roman numerals, large numbers, place value, addition, properties and terms of addition, and Hindu Arabic numerals. These are few terms which you have defined in your words in 3-in-1 notebook. If you don't have 3-in-1 notebook, you can complete your written work in any notebook available at your home. In general knowledge, you have to learn all chapters of unit 1 and unit 2. And in value education, you have to learn all chapters have been done in class. First chapter is everyone is special, second chapter is a loyal pet, third is living together, and fourth is caring for nature. There is also a project work in moral value. First is you have to write morals related to these chapters, chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4 in your words, and you have to write few lines on the following: how to help our parents during lockdown. This is very interesting holiday homework and you have to do it in your words. In computer, you have to learn all chapters. Chapter number 1, computer a machine, chapter number 2, the keyboard, chapter 3, window and operating system, and you have to do a model test paper is in book page number 48 and 49. A project work, you have to draw pictures and write few lines on the following. You have to draw a picture of computer and desktop, and you have to define these in your words on A4 sheet, A3 sheet or any sheet available at your home. And in Hindi, In Hindi literature, you have to learn chapters. Chapter number 1, प्रभु विमल बने. Chapter number 2, एक या. Chapter 4, स्वच्छता से स्वास्थ्य है. You have a project work in Hindi literature. You have to draw the picture of Chacha Nehru and write few lines on him. And in Hindi language, you have to learn these chapters: भाषा और व्याकरण, वर्ण, शब्द और वाक्य, संज्ञा and विलोम शब्द. And in drawing, you have to draw and color the beautiful pictures of the following. You have to draw 2 pictures of fruits with pencil shading, picture of parrot with pencil colors, and you can also use crayon colors. And you have to make a scenery of a village and color it. So students, here are some important instructions for you all. You have to do all your pending work of books and notebooks done in class till now. This holiday homework will be graded as a part of evaluation, as it contains 10 marks for each subject in first term examination. Do all the written work in 3-in-1 notebook. If you don't have 3-in-1 notebook, you can do your written work in any notebook available at your home. Do all project work on A4 sheet, A3 sheet or any sheet available at home. This holiday homework needs to be submitted after summer vacation. Hope you all understood how you have to do your holiday homework. So students, enjoy your holidays and stay safe at home.